Hey guys, got a 2020 plate Volkswagen Tiguan here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the automatic emergency braking on this one. So on this one, we're going to make sure your ignition is turned on, then use the buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel and the screen in front of the steering wheel. And from here, you're going to scroll across until you get to Assist Systems, then click in OK, then press down, keep going until you get to Front Assist, then click OK, and then it will untick it and say Front Assist deactivated. And that is just if you are driving and the car in front of you starts braking and you don't notice, the car will brake for you. So if you do want to turn it off, just deactivate it. And to put it back on, just tick it again, and that's it.